Hey guys, Charles here and welcome to yet another video. So today, if you are a content creator, filmmaker, or you do more of mobile filming and stuff like that, I have a recommendation for you today. Normally getting a tripod for your phone is a little bit tricky. You may get, but you can get the one that is weak, but this is one of the tripod, a low budget tripod that I would actually recommend to anyone. And this is a tripod 3388. That's what it's short. And it's amazing because this mobile phone tripod actually is two in one. You can use with the camera and then you can as well use with your phone, which is the amazing part of it. And of course, let's get to unbox this and you get to see. I got this from Jumia, Uganda at 150,000 Uganda shillings, which is quite, fair, I would say. Please note this is not a sponsored video and I'm just doing it because I got from there. Of course, this is how it became, very well packed in a cover, and then we do have the box here, still brand new. And you can see it's I think this is probably made from China. I can see some writing, I believe. And it also comes with a Bluetooth shutter for iPhone, ISO, and maybe Android version like 4.3 or newer mobile phones. So that shutter will not work in every phone. So let's open the box. And of course, upon opening the box, you are welcome with a very black something that I don't even know, but this is should be our tripod. And of course, we do have this. This is the mount for the phone, for your smartphone. It's actually very flexible. You can see any phone can enter here. And then we do have a USB charger or USB cable. This should be for the shutter, which is a Bluetooth. Now let's open and we get to see the real thing, the real tripod itself. It's not something very fancy, I would say, but okay, to me it looks fancy. And this is how it is. I've personally used this to film around and shoot some videos, at least I know. One, it is strong, it's not weak like the rest. And now we do have the Bluetooth shutter right here. You can just connect this on Bluetooth. Let's say you are a solo videographer, a solo filmmaker. You can just, shoot yourself, or you do vlog inside your house like this. Okay, this is not my house. So uh, this is how it looks like. And of course, we can get to see here, we all know how tripod works. If you probably know, but if you don't know, let me just demonstrate it to you. So you can this is one, this just like this. Then of course, there's still more, but then let me get to show you a little bit how this upper part also looks like. We get to see this. Yeah, we have this. So the amazing part about this, you can actually mount your phone holder on it. That is if you're using a phone. But then you can as well mount your camera right here. So that is why I'm saying this tripod is two in one. You can use it with your camera or you can use it with your smartphone. It can be, iOS, Android, any. So yeah. And we do have other thing that maybe I'll have to demonstrate. Let me first reduce it so that I can demonstrate it well. Yes, and of course, as you know how tripod works, we do have this, and then you can as well just bring it a little higher if you maybe want the size to be a little higher. You can see this. So it's not like really very tall or very long. but at least if you know, this can actually work very well for anyone. You can see we have one, we have then also two, and then we do have this one, which it can stand a little long, which is okay. I personally recommend this because I've used it and it works. So I would recommend to anyone. At 150,000 Uganda shilling only, you can get this. If you maybe need help also ordering it, that is if you're in Uganda, I can as well help you. The number is always in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I'm Charles. I do a lot of tech reviews right here in this channel. And I'll appreciate if you can subscribe and comment and let me know what you think about this review. I will see you in my next video.